Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the SSL certificate error in Google Chrome. So you must have faced this error while trying to open some website. Your connection is not private and then there will be a error written here like this. So to fix this issue, you have to follow some steps that I am going to tell you now. Just follow them in proper order. So what you have to do is just go to the search bar and type internet options. Yeah, just click on the search result internet options. Now go to the advanced tab and just scroll down. Now under security, just uncheck these two options. Check for publisher certificate revocation, check for server certificate revocation. Just uncheck these two options. After this, just go down and make sure that TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2, TLS 1.0, these three should be checked. If it is not checked in your system, then just check them. After this, just click on the apply button and now go to the security tab. Make sure that this slider should be at medium high only. If it is at high, then just bring the slider to the medium high. After this, just click on the trusted sites option. Just select this tick mark and then click on this sites button. Now just add the website which you are not able to browse or the website that is creating the issue. Just type its name. Like for example, if it is google.com, then just type it like this, https. Make sure that you are writing https colon two front slashes www.google.com. After this, just click on the add button to add this website to the trusted sites zone. So just add that website that is creating the issue. Now just click on the close button to close this. After this, just click on the apply button, click on OK button. Now click on the start button and then click on this settings option. Now just click on this option time and language and make sure that this option set time automatically, this should be toggled on. So if it is toggle off in your system, then just toggle it on. So make sure that this option is toggle on and the time zone here should be your country time zone. So if you want to select the correct time zone, then just toggle this option off and now you can select the time zone of your country. Now click on this Chrome shortcut or the Chrome icon, right click over it and click on properties option. Now in the target, just go to the end of this path. Take the cursor to the end. Give a space and now just type hyphen ignore hyphen certificate hyphen errors. I will give this name in the video description. You can copy it from there. Make sure you are giving a space after these two quotes. So there should be a space in between them. After adding this name at the end of this target path, just click on the apply button, click on the continue button, and then click on yes button, and then click on OK button. Now go to the search bar again and type internet option again. Yeah, just click on this search result, internet options. And now go to the content tab and just click on this button, clear SSL state. Click on OK button. Click on the OK button. After this, just open your Google Chrome. It will show a message like this. Just ignore this and just close it. Now click on these three dots. Go to help and then click on this about Google Chrome option. Now just make sure that your Google Chrome is updated. It should be written like this: Google Chrome is up to date. So just make sure that your Google Chrome is updated. After this, just close this browser and just restart your system. After restarting your system, your issue will be fixed and you will be able to access the website that you were not able to access. So this is how you can fix the issue of SSL certificate error in Chrome browser. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.